Harshita Shetty from class 8th. Today I would like to talk to you about a concept that holds immense value in our society, Shramdan. Shramdan is a term derived from the Sanskrit word shram, meaning effort or hard work, and dan meaning donation or contribution. It initially refers to voluntary work or service rendered by individuals for the betterment of society. The mega cleanliness drive is a part of the Swachhata Pakhwada. Swachhata is Seva 2023 being observed from September 15 till October 2. Citizens are engaging in various cleanliness activities like the restoration of old buildings, cleaning of water bodies, guards, painting walls, conducting Nukkad Nataks, Rangoli competition. Since the launch of the Pakhwada, over 5 crore citizens have joined the Pakhwada fortnight so far. 9 years ago, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi gave a clarion call for Swachhata in 2014. Citizens from all walks of life reciprocated with immense enthusiasm, taking the ownership of Swachh Bharat. As a result, Swachhata became a national behavior. Swachh Bharat mission became a household name. On his 105th episode of Man Ki Bharat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called for an hour of Shramdan for cleanliness at 10 o'clock am on October 1. This initiative titled Ek Tarikh, Ek Ghanta, Ek Saath is a collective homage to Mahatma Gandhi on the eve of his Jayanti. Prime Minister urged people to join this unique campaign and pay their respect to Bapu. The mega cleanliness drive encourages citizens from all walks of life to participate in cleaning in activities at public places such as market spaces, railway tracks, water bodies, tourist locations, and religious places. The campaign is part of the Swachhata Hi Seva 2023, observed from September 15 to October 2. Citizens can also apply online to organize cleaning events through the Swachhata Hi Seva Citizens portal. In conclusion, Shramdan is not just an act of service, it's a way of life. It's a reminder that we are all interconnected and responsible for each other's well-being. By engaging in Shramdan, we can contribute to creation of a more compassionate and inclusive society. Let us embrace the spirit of Shramdan and work together to build a better future for ourselves and generation to come. Remember, a small act of kindness can make a world of difference. Thank you.